What up, fam? This is your boy Anu coming at you with another video. Welcome to my channel. I'd like to start off by saying my bad for not making any vlogs. I've been MIA for the past 4 months. The holidays came up. I'm a full-time parent before anything else, but I told myself in 2020 I wanted to really put more time into vlogging and share my life experiences with you and my builds. I neglected my truck the past 4 or 5 months, and I did a little mods here and there. I did a little upgrades, but there's a lot of big things coming up. I'm gonna do an update, show you guys what small cosmetic things I did to my truck, kind of modernize the truck, spice it up a little, and do a little update on some of the past mods I did. So let's get right into it, and hope you enjoy. So let's start off with the back of the truck. As far as the rear, I did a license plate cover. It's from WeatherTech. It's like a plexiglass clear cover with a dust-proof seal, so it kind of keeps the dust debris out of your license plate, so it keeps it nice and clean. I like it. I had a chrome piece, a chrome license plate before, and it didn't look right with a blacked out truck, so I really had to upgrade this. Just a little cosmetic upgrade. Let's go to the side of the truck. I did the WeatherTech window visors. I opted to go with the in-channel instead of the sticky ones that go on the outside on top of your paint. As far as the interior, the only mod I did was WeatherTech floor mats. I had the OEM floor mats with the Dodge Ram logo, but I opted out to get rid of them and put these in. I heard good reviews about them. Makes cleaning easy. Here it is. Simple. It's folded to the floor. Some gaps. Doesn't really bother me, but wish they could have been a little tighter gaps. As far as the updates on my past mods, I did the screen protector on my touchscreen, and so far, if you can see, there's no scratches, no fingerprints. There's a little dust, but she's still very glossy, and I like it. No problems this past 4 or 5 months, so good product off of Amazon. Another update, the Ronin antenna. No fading. Quality. Thumbs up on those products. Didn't go wrong on anything. Now, as far as the steering stabilizer bracket underneath my truck, I hadn't really. Well, let's go take a look. So as you can see, it did rust a little. Other than that, she looks alright. Maybe a little dust, dirt, but overall, she's still doing the job. I might go with a wire brush and put a little anti-seize just to stop that rust from spreading out. But steering is still tight. Steering is still good. Good product. One more update before I forget. I also installed this gem of a mod for my tailgate. It's called DZ Tailgate Assist. It's pretty much a short couple brackets, and this is how she works. really slows down the tailgate. This is not really a heavy tailgate, but it really helps. As far as lifting it back up, it's still the same. This is all it is. Top bracket, a bottom bracket, and a strut. Oh, there's also this spacer just so that this wire doesn't go behind the strut. Now, as far as today's video, I'm gonna be doing some LED upgrades. I really wanted this for a long time. If you know Rams, the interior light is one of them that usually goes out. It has flickering problems, dimming, and those are one of the LEDs I have to change. Since I was gonna change them, I just told myself I might as well just do LED swap throughout the whole truck. So I got a package the other day and they're all off of Amazon. I saw nothing but good reviews on these. So the LEDs I got are from Oxido, global supplier for automotive LED lights. I got the 921 size bulbs. These are a 2-pack. These are gonna go on the 3rd brake light. I also got another set of Oxido LED lights. These come in a pack of 10. There are the 194 size bulbs. They're all 6000 K. So they're pretty much your standard white colored, and these are gonna go, I believe 194s should be on the license plate light. And lastly, we're gonna do Luminex. I got these off of Diesel LEDs. They had a sale. I pulled the trigger. So, and I heard they were one of the brightest LEDs on the market, so why not? We're gonna start off by doing the 3rd brake light first, work our way down to the rear license plate lights and the tail lights. Then yeah, we'll take a before and after photo, show you guys the big difference about LEDs compared to halogens. I'm gonna unpackage all these and I'll show you what comes in the package. One more LED I got. These are the Ayas lighting. I'm not too sure how you pronounce it, but these are also 921s. These are for the 3rd brake light, but I'm gonna open these up and I'm gonna show you guys what you guys get in the package. So as far as the first one, Oxido, these are the 921s. I got a 2-pack of the 3030 SMD styled LEDs, 6 LEDs on both sides, and we got 3 right at the top. These are probably gonna go into the 3rd brake light. To the Ala lighting, these are a different style LED, a lot smaller. I'm probably gonna use these two for the cargo light to light up my bed. I believe these are the strobe, or not strobe, but flickers. To the next, we got another Oxido. These are the 941s. They come with this tool, which is probably, I believe this is just to space out the bracket that you put the LED in, because as you can see, these LEDs are pretty thick for a plug-in. These are like a 360 LEDs all around, and also we got 6 on the top. These are for my license plate. So I'm gonna just show you how to do it real quick. It's super easy install, and let's go. So as far as removing the rear 3rd brake light, all you gotta do is pretty much take out these 2 screws, Phillips screws, and when you take it off, all you gotta do is pretty much pry up and pull out. So now that we got it off, to take the 3 light bulbs out, all you gotta do is twist it counterclockwise. So it's pretty much turning it to the left, like a lefty loosey. Just pull them all out. Simple as that. And now we're gonna use, so the Oxido I'm gonna use for the middle, and the 2 all the lightings are gonna be the cargo. So these are gonna be the ala lighting, and this is gonna be the auxito. So let me swap those out and continue on. So I got them all installed, and pretty easy, just snap them right in. If you really gotta use that tool that comes with the product, all you gotta do is pretty much shove the spacer right into the socket, and it should spread out the prongs that attach to the connectors. But now it's just simple as reinstalling everything back, putting the third brake light back into its housing, 2 screws, and we're done. So I'm gonna show you the final product. Before we do the reassembly, quick tip: to test them out, all you gotta do is press the unlock button and it should turn on. As you can see, it flickers before it stays solid. So yeah, everything is working, so good shit. So this is how it looks installed. Test it out. Damn, she's super bright. So this is a before, this is an after shot right there. One more time. Damn. Alright, now that we got that done, let's head to the license plate lights and the reverse lights for the tail lights. As far as installing the lights, all you gotta do is pretty much go underneath your bumper. It's pretty much same thing as the third brake light. It's all counterclockwise. Twist and it's out. That easy. But the other side, there you go. Counterclockwise and it's out. Now that we got that out, all we gotta do is pretty much put these new ones in and she should be all good. So the same thing with the third brake light. To test them, all you gotta do is press the unlock button. So to show you guys, they are in. Now you gotta do unlock. Damn. Let there be light. And one thing too I forgot to mention earlier in the video, make sure the LEDs that you buy are campus compatible with the new Ram trucks, especially if you got the projector headlights or the Sports Appearance package. You have a different type of system there. They already incorporate LEDs into the truck, so just make sure you get campus compatible LEDs. Alright, as far as the install, all you gotta do is pretty much put it back in and twist it clockwise, and we'll show you an after shot. So this is a before video. After shot. Way nicer. Now on to bolt tail lights. Let's go. So as far as the Luminex reverse LEDs, you pretty much get 2 of these bulbs. They are very bulky. We got a heat sink on them, nice heat sink. We also got a extended wire connector to plug into the OEM plug, female plug. Total of 9 LEDs, 3 on both ends and 3 on the top. So let's get these tail lights disassembled and install these bad boys. To take off the tail lights, the rear tail lights, all you gotta do is pretty much take off 2 bolts. They are T25 Torx bits. There's 2 of them, one at the top, one on the bottom. I had to take off that bracket for my DZ tailgate assist. It kind of got in the way, so it's pretty much zapping 2 of those out. As far as taking the tail light out itself, all you pretty much got to do is pull to the rear and it should pop out. Just don't pull too hard, you might break off those pop clips. So let me take that off and we'll go from there. So now that we got the tail light out, all we gotta do is pretty much go at the bottom of the tail light, and it's pretty much same as the others, counterclockwise. Take it out, pop it off, install the new one. So let me do that right now and I'll show you guys how it looks like. So I got the LED installed. So it's pretty much, there's a rubber grommet that goes in as far as the base of the LED. You just gotta pretty much shove it in, and to face the LED, I like to face the white wire to the rear, LEDs to the front, and LEDs up. So this is how it looks like from the bottom. And if you can see, I got the LED on the inside. The white wire is pointing outwards. All you gotta do is pretty much line it up again. Make sure it's lined up with the tabs. There's two tabs. You can see them, one right there, one right at the bottom. But let me get this installed and I'll show you guys the final product. So I got the LED installed. This is how it looks like. So I don't know if you can see how that white wire, there's a red and white wire. The red wire is on the rear. I just didn't want to see a red wire facing outward. So to each his own. You can put the red wire out, either or. I opted to go with the white wire out just to keep it a clean look. So as you can see, the LEDs are actually facing that yellow tinge. It's facing outward. There's one set of them facing to the reflector on the rear, and one facing upward. So I already did the other side too. As you can see, same thing. Let me throw on the reverse lights and show you guys how it looks. So to test them all you gotta do is pretty much turn your key on, throw it in reverse, push the brake, throw it in reverse, and there you go. Damn. And this is during the day. I'll show you guys when it turns a little darker. She dumb bright. So I'm gonna show you guys the video at night to see all three lights on, and so this is at night. Here we go. Damn, that's dumb bright. Try this again. Shit. I'm gonna turn the reverse light on right now too. So this is with the reverse light on. Hope you guys like it. Comment, like, subscribe. I'm trying to get a video at least every week, at least one. I'm trying to get two, but like I said, I'm a full-time parent, and yeah, just bear with me. I got a couple big things coming up for you that you guys are gonna like. So let's just say my tires are bald. She's gonna need new shoes, so stay tuned. Comment below what size you think I'm gonna go on my tires, what brand. I'm gonna go wheel and tire, a whole new set of shoes. So comment below and tell me what you guys think I'm gonna get. Alright, until the next video, peace. I'm out.